Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to use swap in MetaMask. Swap will allow us to change, for example, Ethereum to KNC, Scale, or exchange any other tokens based on Ethereum in MetaMask directly. So let's start. First of all, we need to of course open our MetaMask and log into our account. Once we get this, we click over here in the right top corner, and then over here we see three buttons and the third one says swap. So let's click on it. And over here on the left side we can choose which token we want to swap. So let's say we want to sell Ethereum and then buy KNC. So over here from the list we would choose Ethereum. Then in swap 2 we would choose to which token we want to swap. So let's say I want to swap into KNC. Then over here we've got some advanced options, you can just skip it. They are quite okay. And important thing over here, how many Ethereum we want to sell. So let's say I'm going to type 1 Ethereum and I want to swap 1 Ethereum into KNC. So once we have everything here set up, we can click on get quotes. And as soon as we do this, MetaMask will automatically check Paraswap, Uniswap, AirSwap, 1inch, total for the best rates on the given exchange that we want to make. And as you can see, we can convert 1 Ethereum into 1085 KNC. And over here, as you can see, there are 5 other quotes available. MetaMask chose the best quote for us. This deal will expire within 40 seconds from being found, so have in mind that if you don't click on swap within the first 40 seconds, the deal will not be valid anymore. And if we click on 5 quotes available, we can see other quotes. So as you can see, this deal, the transaction fee will only be $16. At the moment, transaction fees on Ethereum network are huge. As you can see, some of them are like $50, $45. So as you can see, MetaMask chose the best deal. And then we just click on swap. Once we click on swap, we will see pop-up where we need to click confirm to confirm the transaction. And our swap will be in progress, it will be finalized within the next few seconds or few minutes. So this is how you can easily swap cryptocurrency inside MetaMask with the best possible rate compared from different decentralized exchanges. And that's it for today. Please let me know in the comments, what do you think about swap feature in MetaMask? Do you think this video was helpful? And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.